How to become irresistibly attractive and stop giving a f using the law of assumption. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. High flyers. We're not that far away from 11/11, 11/12, and 11/13. 3 powerful days. Manifest your perfect destiny in Sedona, Arizona. Now, several people will get what they desire. They will manifest their intention before the event has ended. And everybody else will get their intention at least by the first of the year. So 2022 will turn out to be one of the best years of your life after you've attended manifestingyourperfectdestiny.com. And here's why. Because we're going to clear your old energy field and we're going to charge it with new energy, new intentions, new beliefs, and new outcomes. It's that powerful. Manifestyourperfectdestiny.com. It's filling up fast, so get signed up now. So, high flyers, have you ever met somebody who just had this super magnetism and you notice that they didn't give a f about anything? Well, they really do care about some things, but they pick and choose what they choose to care about. Now, I get people all the time and they say, Robert, if I don't care, that means she won't like me anymore, or she won't be interested in me anymore, or he won't care about me. And that is the opposite of the truth. It's the opposite of how the law of attraction works. If you want to become magnetic, if you want to attract your specific person, if you want to attract opportunities in your life, if you want to attract success, then you need to stop giving a f about other people's opinions and what they believe about you. Stop giving a f about complainers. Stop giving a f about bitchers and whiners and crybabies. And stop giving a f about negative people when all they want to do is bring you down. Once you decide that you are the number one priority in your life, that you have to be, then you will become more magnetic, you'll become more attractive, you'll become more irresistible. Now, some people will say to me, well, Robert, isn't that wrong to make yourself number one? Think about it this way. I help a lot of people throughout the world. I help them, professionally, and I help them as part of my life. If I don't make myself important, if I don't make myself number one to me, then I'm no good to anyone else. I can't help anyone else. If you're on an airplane and the masks come down because the airplane's going, anyway, if the airplane's going down and you don't put that mask on yourself first, you're no good to your children or anyone else. First, you've got to take care of you. Choose to live the highest version of your life and choose to no longer tolerate bad environments, bad people, bad vibes. High flyers, as you make a conscious choice in your life to let go of neediness, to focus within rather than always focusing outside of yourself, your irresistibility will drastically, and I do mean drastically, increase. Please don't misunderstand me. I'm not saying, high flyers, to stop giving a f about your goals. I'm not saying to stop giving a f about the people that you deeply love or care about. But rather than live in a state of need and want and hoping and wishing, choose to invoke the power of the law of assumption. Number one, stop giving a f. Number two, believe that you already have what you desire, that it's already yours. Once you believe that you are the one in your life, you are the center of your manifesting vortex. Once you believe that you are the one and that you can always have whatever you want in your life, then you'll stop giving a f when people ignore you, when they gaslight you, or when they ghost you. Let the dead rest in peace. The reason you're becoming more magnetic and more irresistible is because you live by this belief: I always get what I want or something better, because I already have what I want or something better. I already have what I want or something better. High flyers, don't wish for it, don't hope for it, don't want it, know it. Absolutely know that you already have what you want or something better. Many years ago, I went out on about 50 job interviews, and I finally took a job at a radio station that was going out of business. And I didn't even know if they'd be able to pay me. They even told me up front, we may not be able to pay you. But I took the job because I already knew that I had the job I wanted. And so by working, I was putting myself in the flow of energy. Likes attract likes. People that have jobs attract jobs. Did I give a f that they couldn't pay me? No. Now, I didn't. Hey, listen, I wasn't rolling in money at the time, but I chose not to make that a priority. Guess what? I worked there 3 weeks. They never paid me, but I got a phone call from the job that I wanted and ended up going to work for a big radio network and making a pile of money. It worked. It was powerful because I didn't give a f. So high flyers, a client of mine, he went through a massive breakup and he started chasing and calling and pleading and all of that kind of stuff. Bargaining, that's another technique people use that doesn't work. And finally, he worked on himself. He went to the point of losing a whole bunch of weight, working out at the gym. He bought a new home. He got new furniture. He started really empowering his own life. And then she started calling him. And then she started chasing him because he had gone from low magnetism to massive magnetism. He became irresistible. And now, when she threatens to walk out and end it, he says, okay, I can't stop you. Have a good life. And she comes begging to be back with him. He's literally made himself irresistible by not giving a f about her low vibrational negative behavior. Never be afraid to take a step backward from something that is causing you pain or something that is causing you irritability or anxiety or fear or doubt. Back away from it. Remember, the more you love yourself, the more irresistible, the more magnetic, the more attractive you become. Here's the problem, high flyers. When you focus outward, when all of your focus is on the other person, their behavior, what they're doing, what they're thinking, how they're acting, their opinion of you, all of that, when you choose to give a f about that, you burn time, you waste time, you lower your vibration, you waste energy, and you deplete yourself of irresistible magnetism. And the most important one, manifestors, stop giving a f about the 3D world. You are a manifestor. Set an intention and attract whatever you desire to you. And stop looking at the 3D world for your answers. Here's some affirmations to help you on your journey. I accept whatever I want because I already have it. I choose to live a harmonious life because I don't give a f about arguing. I don't give a f about defending myself. I don't give a f about proving myself. I give a f about myself and my life journey. Therefore, I ignore other people's useless opinions. I give a f about my personal power and confidence. Visualize daily, in detail, high flyers, you living your perfect life. You living a life of perfect happiness, health, and joy. Okay? Seriously. And don't give a f about the rest. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.